This is Wilma Sprague with Winter Texan Home Sales 2, bringing you 107 Regis in Victoria Palms Resort. This 1999 Skyline has 1,088 square feet of living space. Step into this charming home and you'll immediately appreciate the bright, open feel of this spacious front living area that flows seamlessly into the kitchen, where abundant cabinetry provides exceptional storage. A generously sized guest bedroom and a full bathroom lead to the true primary suite, featuring an expansive layout and French doors that open to the ensuite bathroom. Outside offers perfect functionality with a full-size garage. A great bonus to this house is the second garage for your golf cart. This home is listed at $75,000 and comes fully furnished. This is Wilma Sprague with Winter Texan Home Sales 2, specializing in Victoria Palms home sales. Victoria Palms is a very active 55-plus gated community located in the Rio Grande Valley in Donna, Texas.